The purpose of a reevaluation IEP is to see if a child's needs have changed, or if there are new areas of concern, or if the student is going to college soon. Manifestation determination review is a formal review of a student's behavior before a long-term suspension or expulsion. An MDR is used to decide if the behavior was caused by the disability. It must happen within 10 days of a school's decision to change the placement of a student with a disability for disciplinary reasons. The change of placement happens when a student with a disability is expelled or suspended for more than 10 school days in a school year. Due process hearing is intended to ensure that children with learning disabilities receive a free and appropriate public education. It is a part of IDEA, and its intention is so due process safeguards would help facilitate appropriate decision-making in service for children with disabilities. An addendum to the IEP purpose is to make changes to the IEP during the year it is in effect. A school district and the parent may modify the IEP if they both agree to do so, and they can amend or modify the instructional goals and objectives, the amount of time in the current program, related services or provisions related to supplementary aids or services, assessments or transportation, or other areas of concern.